No. I'm just borrowing it. Oh, lip gloss. Okay, okay. Why don't they pay for? Why don't you do it manually? Can you get when you go tomorrow? But you have to hold their money. Grandma give them 200 divided by three. Wait, astig. Sa bagong taon naman. Lalo. You just cut her blonde hair? I orange. Okay, okay. I thought see you corrected yourself, Peach. Be careful, no. They cannot peach and orange are not similar, Jade. Nope. No. I still oh, be careful. Don't cut her finger. Don't cut her hair. Don't cut her hair. Don't cut her hair. What's her name? What's the name of that toy? Jade. Can you get that? That's the look at the box, anak, in front of you, next to you. Oh yeah. Oh wow. Hello, hello, Mikay. What's that? Lumpa lumpa. What's that? Let me see. La. Kulit. Yummy land. Wrong spelling. Ah, okay. Oh, Bianca bubblegum. We like Bianca bubblegum. Oh, Bianca is like a bangka. Bangka in the Philippines means boat. Hello, Mads. Boat. You want boat? Bianca. Bianca Bianco. Hello, Mads. Hello. Is that Yamilan? What's the name of that toy? Bianca Yamilan? Eh, nangungulangot. What's that? Okay, brush your hair. Be careful. Jade, be careful. To unbox this toy is 8 minutes. We've been doing it for 8 minutes.